This is a beautiful existing home in the 500s in Northlake, Texas. Let's see what you get. All right, come on into this home. This is a spec home in the heart of Northlake, Texas, in the neighborhood of Harvest. If you look down right here, you have luxury vinyl plank flooring for the whole downstairs. I've even kicked off my shoes, woo, because I would be clunking around in my boots in here. So I kicked them off. I'm nice and comfortable, and I'm gonna show you what you get in the $500,000 range. Actually available house, the upgrades in it, everything that you see, ready to go, move-in ready. Let me show you what you get. This is a flex space. You could use this in multiple different ways depending on your family's needs. You could use it as a little TV room. You could use it as an office space. You could use it as a dining room space. You get to choose. You've got all of your LED lighting, but they did do a center light here. So if you wanted to use it as a dining area, you could put in a chandelier or something there. Little closed off for a dining room, may make a little bit more sense for a cozy little office space. This particular builder is really, really good using space. So here you have 8-foot doors, you have a great coat closet right there, perfect for storage. And then you have a large powder room down here that's just gonna have your sink and toilet. And oh my gosh, you could have some fun decorating this little hallway and powder room and really make it sweet. So you come on in here, you're gonna have your windows, a wall of windows here. This one is an interesting floor plan, which will show you the front of the house, but you have a long driveway, which you can put a lot of cars here, and then you have your garage, so you're kind of looking at that. It does bring in a lot of light. This builder in particular does such an amazing job with the kitchens and size of the islands. Every single house I've seen from this builder, which this builder's Tri-Point, they have amazing size kitchens. This one's fun. They even put a little outlet on the island right there, so you could plug in your appliances, your phone, whatever you're needing to plug in, because, well, maybe you want to put your, like, Ninja Crispy plugged into that. Oh my gosh. Or your Ninja Creamy. Yes, we'll talk about those later. Okay, so let's get on to the house. So this one, again, has a really big pantry. This is a huge pantry. I'm obsessed with this pantry. Of course, your fridge is gonna go here. You've got your oven and microwave combo right there. These are gorgeous wood. They even put knobs on, and a lot of times on the existing homes, like they'll always have knobs in the model homes, but a lot of times in the existing homes, they won't have knobs. This one has your knobs, even has your pull-out trash can, which is so nice. That way you don't have to have a trash can, you know, sitting out. These drawers are nice and deep. So really big drawer space, really great open cabinet space here. And you even have the option to move your shelves up and down depending on your needs. And so those are the kind of little details that I like to look for, and they really do make a big difference. Now, if you come in here, so this is gonna be kind of your dining space right in this area here where you could put your table. You might center it kind of under these two lights. You could do a rectangle table, round table in here. You could put chandeliers up there if you wanted to. And then you walk into your family room space. Now you might notice here, this is kind of plain wall. This is where you'd put your TV. I don't even use any of these cables anymore, honestly. I just plug in my TV and then I stream everything. But I love how they added it all, and this is a really great wall that, one of the things that I've been seeing that's really trending is electric fireplaces. You could easily build out a simple electric fireplace wall, put your TV over it. It would look incredible in this home. So they did include their famous sliders in here, which gives you just a massive amount of light on this side. And for a 45-foot lot, this gives you a really big patio space and a nice size yard. And which is really great because this neighborhood has an incredible park just across the street from it. So you got a place to walk the dogs, a place for the kids to play, whatever, you know, whatever you dream this neighborhood has it. It's a great neighborhood. We're in the heart of Harvest here in Northlake. This is your garage. It's actually a really deep garage. Probably hard to tell in there, but you're definitely gonna get some space in front of it. So it's kind of unique to just pop right into your garage, right into your family room. You don't really have a drop zone, you know, for all your items, but at least you just get to come right into your kitchen. And so, you know, this is a good space where you could put a little piece of furniture right there for keys, make that a little bit of a drop zone area. You also have this door here, which I think is really great design because I'm standing right in the sun. Ooh, okay, so if you come in through here and you just park your car right there, you could pop into this door without having to open up the garage and go through it. Really great little drop zone to bring in, you know, all of those heavy items we buy at Costco, like soda water. That's at least what I buy at Costco, that's heavy. Okay, lots of windows in here. All the bedrooms are up. They have a really nice level of carpet in here, but you start upstairs with your goods storage. Let's take a look at the secondary bedrooms up here. Okay, you do have some attic space, it looks like, up there. These have really nice sized rooms. They kind of do the bump out with the niche. Really good size windows up here, tall ceilings, and large closets, windows. They don't have to put windows in there, but it is so nice to have a window in your closet and bring in all that natural light. This one is your bathroom here. Oh, good sized bathroom. Look at all the space you have in here. They only put the one sink in here. They did do this in a wood look tile up here, gave it a lot of character. Hey, listen, they didn't put a bunch of towel rods in there. I don't like towel rods. I always want them to take it down and then they leave big holes in there. This is your other bedroom. This one's a little bit smaller. This one is just gonna be able to, your bed, your dresser, it doesn't have the bump out. Let's look at the closet. And kind of just a small standard size closet. So just a simple bedroom up here. So that is 2 bedrooms and a bathroom right there. Now what you are getting up here is, you know how we talked about the location of that garage? Well, you're getting a lot of space up here. So you're getting this is a really good size loft. At least it's big enough to create a seating area here, put another TV area right here. So it gives you a really nice space, which is nice because it's gonna be just right outside your primary bedroom. So at night you wanna watch a show, you can sneak up upstairs, watch a show, and then, you know, you're right next to your bedroom. You do have a really good sized laundry room. You know, you got your washer and dryer here, but you got a little extra space for hanging space. And when all your bedrooms are upstairs, you really do want your laundry room upstairs because, well, that's where all your clothes are. I mean, so now look at the size of this primary bedroom. So if you are looking for a home and you want a large bedroom, this really fits the bill. It's a large primary bedroom. You have great windows. This one in particular is just looking at other houses, which is what you'll find normally because you're in a master plan community, but it is huge. And then they put in this closet, which is just like the size of a bedroom. It's like a his and hers. I mean, it's got all the space over here, more lighting to the front of it, just a huge closet, then the whole other section over here, which they even bumped out the ceilings in here. They have ample light in here. Really, really nice closet space here. Let's check out this primary bathroom. Of course, you got your toilet area. Now, this primary bathroom only has a shower, and I think it only has the option for a shower. I do like that, again, you have more lighting here. You have even a little space here you could put in a little extra piece of furniture. And this is what I'm gonna call just a good old standard bathroom. That's it. Okay, so let's kind of recap what we saw here. So we have 3 bedrooms, All 3 bedrooms are upstairs, 2 full bathrooms upstairs, and a good sized laundry room upstairs, a loft upstairs. So you have ample amount of space upstairs in this beautiful home. Downstairs, we walked in, we had that office space, which I'm gonna call kind of your little bonus room, if you will. We had that little hallway that had some storage and a powder room down there. And then you walked into the kitchen area, which just opened up to that family room. You had the sliding glass doors, which honestly is such a luxury. And it's so nice to have that in Texas because we have such good weather. I mean, we're standing here in December. It must be 70 degrees day. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. Kids are playing outside because this particular neighborhood is in the heart of Harvest, which is a huge master plan community, and so much growth out in this area. So it's such a popular area. Very good time to get into this area because the price points are still lower compared to some higher denser areas. Or if you try to get in Flower Mound, you were looking, well, they don't have new builds at this price point in Flower Mound. You'd be getting into a very old house built in the 1980s that needs $150,000 worth of repairs in it just to get in it. So this is a really great price point, a really great neighborhood. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas, give our team a call. We would love to walk you through all the different areas of Texas, help you figure out what meets your needs the best. There are things to consider here like HOA, tax rates, some different things like that, which can really make a huge difference on the overall cost of your home. But oftentimes when you're going with a new build, they can help you with buy down to get that interest rate down, all sorts of things to think about. So if you're thinking about moving to Texas, like I said, give us a call. We love to drop videos here, help you figure out how to navigate the North Texas real estate market. So, and I'm Tisha White, and my husband Brian and I have a team out here, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. We like to finish our videos by saying that God is good, Jesus has forgiven you, you are loved, everything is possible.